Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload videos from CapCut to YouTube. To begin, open the CapCut app on your device. This is where your edited video project is stored and where you'll prepare the final version for uploading. Once CapCut is open, go ahead and open your sample project. This should be the video you want to publish to YouTube. Take a quick moment here to make sure you've selected the correct project and that everything looks ready, since the next step is exporting your finished video. Now look to the top right area of the screen and click on Export. In many cases, this button is used to create the final video file from your editing timeline. After selecting it, click Export again if prompted. This second confirmation usually starts the rendering process. Depending on the length and quality of your video, this may take a few moments. It's a good idea to let the export finish completely before moving on so you know the video file is ready and saved properly. Once your video has been exported from CapCut, open YouTube in your browser. You'll want to make sure you're on the correct YouTube account before uploading, especially if you manage more than one channel. After YouTube loads, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on Create. This is the option that lets you begin a new upload. From there, browse for the sample exported video from CapCut. You'll need to locate the file that was just saved during the export process. If you're not sure where it went, it may be in your default Downloads folder, Videos folder, or the export location set inside CapCut. Select the file, and YouTube will begin preparing it for upload. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the upload and enter your SEO details. This is the stage where you'll fill in the video title, description, and any other information YouTube asks for. Be clear and accurate when entering these details, since they help viewers understand your content and can improve discoverability in search. You may also see options related to audience settings, visibility, and other publishing preferences, so simply continue through each screen as prompted until the upload is complete. And that's it. You've exported your video from CapCut and started the process of uploading it to YouTube. Take your time with the final on-screen settings, and once everything is in place, your video will be ready to publish.